Hey, I'm Dan Thomas, and this is my channel for the Newbie Woodworker. Or anyone, really. Every now and then I get asked for tips on using circular saws. And since some of you will be getting shiny new circular saws this holiday season, I thought it was a good time to talk about them. Unfortunately, when it comes to circular saws, I'm not the sharpest blade in the shop. But just recently I stumbled across a video you can really sink your teeth into. It's from a channel called The Honest Carpenter, and it's full of a ton of useful, common sense information. I know the title makes it sound like it's only a bunch of don'ts, but it's actually a bunch of do's, along with the reasons to do them, if that makes sense. It's quick and to the point, and Ethan does a great job of being thorough without wasting any time. You'll be glad you watched it. There's a link to his video in the description below and on my website. And if you're really lucky, a link to his video will be covering my face right about now. And just so you know, I'm not monetizing this video because I wouldn't feel right about making money from someone else's work. So go on and enjoy Ethan's video, and be safe out there, everyone.